Then photodetector 2 detects the light and system goes into state 2. The count is then increased and blue LED that indicates the power to the room goes high. We repeat this process again and we see that the count increases to 2. We finally repeat this process once more. The detector 1 detects, then detector 2 detects, and the system goes into state 2, and finally the count increases to 3. We then proceed in reverse direction. First detector 2 detects the light, system goes into state 5, then detector 1 detects, system goes to state 6, the counter is decreased. We repeat this process again. The counter now goes to 1. We repeat this process once more. The counter will go to 0 and the blue LED will go off. That means power to the room is switched off. Thank you.